folded cards. Okay, let's get started.
I have two pieces of different colors paper. I'm going to fold this up in two pieces, just like this. And now this I want to cut up. I'm going to measure it up first. This is 13 centimeters. I want to just gonna do about 5 centimeters from the 5.5 from up, and about big we're gonna do the box. Let's do it 4 centimeters, just like this, and wide 4 centimeters up and 4 centimeters. Okay. For the drawer, we're gonna cut this up now about 4 centimeters. Make a box just like this. We open it, you're gonna see what I cut. My cat is gone. That was my cat. Okay, you can see, made this. If we open it, we have a box inside. Just like this. Okay. What we're going to do is now, we're going to make a box. Okay, I have a strip here, and what we're going to do is we're going to cut this up 4 centimeters, just like this. I'm going to make some two pieces and cut the edges a little bit in the edge, and we're going to fold it up just like this. I'm going to do it 2 times. I'm going to fold it up. Just like this. And I have also in color red. I'm gonna do it the same. I'm gonna fold them up in 2 pieces. Just like this. I have a glue stick. And we're going to glue the insides. Look, which one is this? There's my cat, what you hear? He wants a little bit of attention. We're gonna press it up a little bit. If we open it, I see my box just like this. Close. Okay. I cut it before in two colors, in blue and red. I wanna look which one is the best looking the box, because we're gonna use also red one on the other side. I'm gonna use it just like it fold up out the box, and red was good choice of it. Okay, this and what we're gonna do is the same. We're gonna fold this one in two. Just like this. And what we do now, we have this, and we're gonna glue this with my glue stick. All sizes. On the edges, on the sides, everywhere. Gonna glue them up. This one size. Then we're gonna put this one inside, and we're gonna pressure it all the way. Now I'm gonna do the same on this size. The glue stick. Gonna put my glue all over it. I'm gonna pressure it also slowly all over. If we open it now, my card, we'll see it's a box. Inside red. Okay, we have a box now, and we're gonna pull all the things what you want to do. You can put some hearts in it, or you can put some nice thing as flowers in it. You can do everything in a box, because it's a card you want to give to someone. It can be a Valentine card, it can be a birthday card, it can be every different card we're gonna do. Friendship card. And what we're gonna do now, I have different I bought this before. This what we have, a little bit lower box. This and has a little bit here. It's very small. Yes. So we're gonna decorate it inside. It'll be a friendship card. Put some little bugs here and inside also. I have here feathers. I'm gonna use a little bit feathers to decorate it from my friendship card. I have all these different colors feathers here. I'm gonna use mostly colorful feathers, just like this. I'm gonna use it. And we're gonna glue it up. Just like this. And use the same feather colors on the outsides, only one. Also the card. You're gonna do, you can describe here friendship, or you can describe any kinds of cards here inside, and you open it, and this is my card.
Okay, this is the end product. If we open it, here is my box. I made a friendship card. You can do also a birthday card or a Valentine's card. You can choose every different cards which you want to give, or make it yourself. Today is Women's Day. It's 6 March. Happy Women's Day today, and thanks for watching for my YouTube channels. Thumbs up, subscribe downstairs, and see you next time in my videos. Bye.